TikTok's promote feature has been rolling out over the past few months now, and they just added new targeting options that are so hyper-specific that it's actually kind of scary. TikTok is pushing this promote feature hard right now with constant notifications and even giving us credits to try the promote functionality out for free. It's basically like a very light version of their actual ads platform. But does TikTok promote actually work? And what do these detailed targeting options look like? I'm Austin Armstrong, and this channel is all about helping you master TikTok. So, have you had a chance to try the TikTok promote feature yet? Let me know in the comments what you think about this. And make sure you stick around until the very end of this video because I'm going to show you an exact step-by-step strategy of how to use TikTok promote to grow your business. If you haven't tried this promote feature out yet, it's very easy to access. Just go to your profile, click on the little hamburger icon in the upper right-hand corner, and then click on Creator Tools and Settings. Here you should see an option labeled as Promote. This will show you all of the videos that you are able to promote, as well as past archives of past promotions that you've done and how they've actually performed. If you want to actually promote a video, there are currently 3 goals that you can promote that video to achieve. More video views, more website visits, and more followers. Next are your targeting options after choosing what your goal is. Now, TikTok will default it to their default setting. However, I don't recommend doing that because the advanced targeting options are getting kind of crazy. So if you click on Custom and then go into Custom Interests, TikTok has actually just added a rabbit hole of deep targeting options that you can get really creative with. So let's explore some of them. Let's run with a quick example and say you want to target new moms and sell them car seats. Well, you could start by targeting women aged 18 to 34. Then by selecting the custom interests, you could select the babies, kids, and maternity option. You could just target all of the people that are interested in this, or you can take it to the next level and go hyper specific. You can actually target child car seats now, and maybe you can expand that a little bit and target strollers and cribs as well to expand that audience a little bit. Here's another really detailed example that you can run with if this is your industry. Let's say you're a travel agent and you want to get more leads for your travel agency on TikTok using the promote feature. I would start by creating a really cool, detailed travel hack video of how your agency can help them save costs on booking a luxury hotel room. You could then promote that video targeting website visitors and drive them to a really specific landing page designed to convert leads. I would then start by targeting people that are 25 plus because that's going to indicate that they might have a little more money than, say, an 18-year-old. Then you could go into custom interests and start by selecting the travel option. Then you could select travel agency and click on all categories there. I would also add on hotels and accommodations. And you could also select luxury hotels and villas. Now you have a highly strategic video that adds value and you're promoting it to a highly targeted audience interested in this subject matter and driving them to a landing page that's built to convert on what that video is about. Now, as great as this TikTok promote feature may be, it actually is going to present you and I a problem as it continues to get better. Because there's only one discoverability feed on there, the FYP, as the ad platform gets better and as more people adopt it, there's only so much space that's going to be visible on the FYP. So as more people use this feature, it's going to be harder to organically grow your audience on there. Fortunately, there was recently an internal staff document from TikTok leaked by the New York Times of how the algorithm actually works and what type of videos that it promotes. And in this video, I actually break down this leak and explain all of the key takeaways and how you can leverage it to continue to organically grow on TikTok. I'll see you in this video.